All right, so here we have a brand new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. We just finished doing a front end PPF on this. I polished the back half and I'm about to start ceramic coating it. Gonna start off with this lovely stuff called Glassparency. It is a two-step coating. So the first step, step A, bonds to the glass and helps step B adhere to it better. So yeah, let's get started. Nice and simple to apply. Just comes on this nice pre-wet towelette, I would call it. And you just wipe it on the glass, go one direction. I like to go back the other direction just to make sure we got a nice good coat on it. Hop over to the other side. Same thing, one direction. Go back the other. And now I'll let this sit for a minute so that it actually has a chance to bond to the glass. And then we will do part two. Alrighty, that should be good. And now we apply the actual coating. Same thing, comes on a free wet towelette. Same motion, go back one way, come back the other, make sure it has a nice thick coat on there. All right, now I'll let that sit for another minute. Then I wipe it off with a damp rag, followed up by a little bit of alcohol. Got my rag. All right, and that is your glass coating. And it's gonna make your windshield very hydrophobic. So when it rains, the stuff's basically gonna sheet right off. The coating lasts for 3 years. Every year you come in for a maintenance booster on it. Yeah, the maintenance, it's just something that comes with the Glassparency system. There are wipes that you do every...
Once a year.
Once a year? Yeah, you do it once a year, and that'll help bring back the hydrophobicness of the coating. So with the Glassparency, you're going to have ultra hydrophobicness, and it's also going to help reduce glare on your windshield. So it's gonna be good for driving at night, driving in bad weather, helps you clean it easier. And yeah, it's good stuff. Good stuff.